Greeting to all. I am really super excited to meet you through my YouTube channel called Aim Zero Fire. In this channel, I am going to discuss the specialized fire preventive measures. Before going to the subject in deep, please see the fire clips which I have pasted in this. In addition to the fire incident clip, I am pasting the fire incident statistics which happened in India for the past 5 years. 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please have the data. 16 we got 16,000 plus accident. 2020 we got 9,000 plus accident. Okay. The other side you can see the deaths and injuries. These figures are really threatening, right? So let us aim to prevent the accident. Let us go to the subject. What do you think now? Is it the act of God or bad time of the business owner to receive a massive fire accident like this? Do you think these accidents are preventable or not? Yes, tell me, is it preventable or inevitable? Certainly these accidents are preventable. There are some professionals who can do this work. As part of the introduction, I want to introduce myself because I'm going to talk about fire preventive measures, that is specialized fire preventive measures, right? So I must explain who I am. By the way, I am Suresh Chandrasekharan, having 20 years of experience in safety, which includes mall 9 years, petrochemical site, construction site had experience, leather goods manufacturing, experience in mud chemical preparation. With all the experience from this different domain and specialization, I gain a good confidence to explain the fire preventive measures, not the firefighting. I am repeating, I am going to discuss about fire prevention. We are going to achieve fire prevention in a very cost effective manner. To add strength to my verbal introduction in the video clip, I am giving some of the snaps where I have worked in my previous industry. There I have worked as a construction safety manager, HSC manager, fire safety manager. Okay, these are all the some of the clips from the previous industry. With this information, you can have a complete understanding of my profile in a very authentic manner. So let us go to the subject and discuss the fire prevention further. Since we are going to see deep fire prevention subject, it is very much necessary to know the chemistry of fire. I repeat, chemistry of, we know what is chemistry. If we mix 2-3 solution at perfect proportion, product is produced, right? The same way, fire needs 3 elements. One is oxygen, second is heat, third one is fuel. When we put together these 3 elements at correct proportion, fire is produced. Fire is produced. I am repeating you, fire is produced, not an accident. Okay, it's fire produced. How? So now we know the chemistry of fire. Somebody should inspect and keep these 3 elements away. It should not come together. So when it comes together, what happens? It will come as a fire. So who can do this one? Fire officer can do this one. Fire officer can go around the factory, watch these three things, whether they are together. If it is together, they inspect and get it corrected. By the way, fire is prevented. This is a manual method. Okay, this is a outer view, outer inspection. How we are going? As I said, right? As I said, this is I'm going to give you a specialized instruction, a specialized fire preventive measure, right? So what is that? That is a thermographic audit. That is a thermographic audit. What is that thermography? This is a camera. It's an equipment, okay, which can scan. I'm repeating, which can scan the electrical circuit, machines, motors, whatever we doubt there is something wrong, we can scan it for extra temperature and find out whether any defect in the system. Now you got an idea theoretically of what is thermography. Okay, now I am pasting a video clip about this thermographic audit. Please watch and come back. The much awaited thermographic audit is broadcasted. A safety professional is performing his duty, is scanning the electrical circuit from his distance, and he found at 132 degree of high temperature, which is abnormal. This is to be acted, this is to be discussed with the electrical department immediately, and it should be rectified on time. Now we know how the thermographic is performed to find out the unsafe condition. Companies who are in need can do this exercise at their premises, okay, yearly or every 6 months as per the condition. This audit is not very costly, it is very economical. Companies can rent any qualified agency from the market, carry out this exercise as part of fire safety management. Have you seen? Have you seen the clip? This is one of the very effective safety measures to prevent an accident. There are many preventive measures to practice. I will be explaining them all one by one in the coming videos. Please, if you want further details on thermography, any other support and further guidance, you can drop a mail to the ID which you are seeing on the screen. Since it is my first video, I had to give a lot of my personal history credential to give weightage to the point I am proposing. Hope it is not less appetizing. From next video onwards, I will be starting my point directly from Operation Theatre. Bye bye. Our aim is zero accident.